Let's take a look at the license activation and deactivation process in VLOOP Builder 7. Once you purchase your license for VLOOP Builder 7, it's time to activate it. So go into your email and copy the license code directly from the email. Then make sure that you're connected to the internet and launch VLOOP Builder 7. Then select Help, License Activation from the menu options. In the window that displays, go ahead and paste in your code. Click Next, and then fill in the required information, and then if you want, take some time to let us know how you heard about the software. And you can also opt to sign up for our newsletter. Then click Next, and it's as easy as that. Your license will be activated, and click Finish and you're ready to start working in the licensed version of VLOOP Builder. Now, there may be times when you may need to move your license from one machine to another. This is easily done now. Simply deactivate the license on the current machine and then reactivate it again on the machine that you'll need to use it on. To deactivate your license again, make sure you are connected to the internet. Then select Help and License Deactivation from the menu bar. Then in the window that displays, go ahead and click Next, and your license will be deactivated. Then click Finish. And again, go ahead and reactivate it on another computer as needed. Now, there may be times when, even though you're connected to the internet, you may have some issues activating and deactivating your license going directly through the program, so you may have to go through a web activation or deactivation to bypass, say, a firewall issue. This is easily done, so let's go ahead and go through the process so that you can see how to do it in case you might need to do this yourself. Again, to activate your program, this time via web activation, you still need to go to your email and copy the license code for ease. Then again, you still have to make sure you're connected to the internet for the web activation, and select Help, License Activation just like before, paste in your license code, but this time go ahead and click the web activation button. Fill in the information as needed, and then go ahead and click Next. Read the instructions for completing the web activation. For example, step 1 will request that you open up the web activation web page. So go ahead and do this by clicking the folder icon. This will launch your default browser and take you to our web activation page. Once there, read the information, but don't make any changes unless you want to change how you heard about the product, or if you wanted to make a change to receiving our newsletter. Otherwise, you don't have to change any information on this screen. Then click the Submit button. On the next page that displays, go ahead and, for the confirmation code, highlight all of the code in this particular field and then copy it by doing a Control-C from your keyboard. Then go ahead, you can close your browser at this point, come back to the VLOOP Builder 7 activation screen, and then do a Control+V to paste that code you just copied from the web page activation field. Then click Next. Then click Finish, and you will have successfully activated your license via web activation. Now again, you can use the same process to deactivate your license. So let's go through the steps here. Again, if you have issues activating or deactivating your license when connected to the internet, you can also deactivate it using the web deactivation process. So select Help from the menu option. Again, make sure you are connected to the internet when doing this, and select License Deactivation. This time we will select in the window that displays the web deactivation button. We'll click that, and again read the information for the instructions to do this. For example, step 1, we need to open the web deactivation web page by clicking the folder icon. This will launch our default browser and connect us to the web deactivation page. Our license code is automatically inserted into the field, so do not change this information. Just click the Submit button. When the page refreshes, highlight the confirmation code data here. do a Control C on your keyboard, then go ahead and you can close your browser, come back to Viewlet Builder and do a Control V to paste the confirmation code, and then click Next, then click Finish, and you will see that your license code has been successfully deactivated via web deactivation, ready for use on another computer. So that's all there is to it for license activation and deactivation in Viewlet Builder 7. If you have any questions on this particular topic or any others while working with Qarbon products, please visit us online at qarbon.com. That's Qarbon.com. Happy Viewletting!